Hello, dear students. Welcome to my channel. I am Nandakumar BR. So, ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ physics ವಾಲ ರ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ನೀಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇಪರೇ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A part of circuit is shown in the figure. The ratio of heat developed across 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 3 ohm resistances respectively after time t. After time t. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಹೀಟ್ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ H is equal to I square R. H is equal to I square R ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೇನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನದರ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 4 + 2 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 6. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಮೇನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್, ಇದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನದರ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ 4 ohm, ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 4 + 2 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2s are 3s are 2s are 2 3s are ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2I/3. ಈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ 2I/3 ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ I - 2I/3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3I - 2I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ I/3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ 4 ohm ಬಂದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ I/3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹೀಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, H is equal to I square R. ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. H1 H2 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 H3. ಸೊ H1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಹೀಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ 2 ohm. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ 2 ohm ಕರೆಂಟ್ 2I/3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4I² ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 9. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು 2 ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ I/3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ I² by 9 into resistance is 4 is 2. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ H3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ 3 ohm. ಕರೆಂಟ್ I ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ I², ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಈಗ I² ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ 9 9 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, 9 9 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 4 into 2 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 8 is 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 9 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಸೊ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4 is 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 into 3 27. ಸೊ 8 is 2, 4 is 2, 27. The right answer is option 2. Option 2 is the right answer. Question ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. The next question, a particle starts moving on a circular path of radius 2 meter with a time dependent speed v is equal to 2t meter per second. Find minimum time in which displacement of the particle becomes 0. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, particle starts moving on a circular path. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕೈನಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. S is equal to ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ut ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ a t square. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this term goes to 0. For one complete rotation distance covered is 2 pi r is equal to of A. So velocity ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Velocity V is equal to 2t. V is equal to 2t. Differentiation ಮಾಡಿ. A is equal to ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ dv by dt ನ differentiation ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 meter per second square. Okay, so this is 2 and t square ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು so 2 pi into 2 is equal to t square. So t is equal to square root ಮಾಡಿ square root ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ 2 into 2 4 ಗೆ root ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 pi ಗೆ root pi. So 2 root pi second. The right answer is option 4. Fourth option is the right answer. Correct. Okay. Next, question number 3. A circular loop of radius r is moving away from a current carrying wire. The induced current in circular loop will be. So now Lenz's law use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ this is direction of current vertically upwards flow ಆಗ್ತದೆ surrounding magnetic field ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೂಪ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ stretch out the first 3 fingers of right hand in 3 mutually perpendicular directions. 4 finger points in the direction of magnetic field inward. So this is direction of induced current. This is motion of the conductor or velocity ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ that is towards ಈ ಕಡೆ right side. Okay, this is direction of magnetic field. This is direction of current. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ current ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ like this. So this is according to Fleming's right hand rule. So ಹೇಗಿದೆ current? This is clockwise. Right answer is option 1. First option is the right answer. Okay, right. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 note put. Question number 4. A square plate has uniformly distributed mass. A square plate has uniformly distributed mass m and side L, a circular section of radius L by 2. Circular section ಏನಿದೆ, so this radius is L by 2. Radius is L by 2. Is removed from the plate. The center of the removed circle coincides with the center of square as shown in the figure. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಕೋಯಿನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನರ್ಷಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ plate about an axis passing through the common center and perpendicular to the plane. Okay. So idu aramagi now solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So this question is based on system of particles. Iga moment of inertia of square en barutte m divided by 12 L square plus L square 2 times L square. 2 times L square. 2 1s are 2 6s are. So this is m L square divided by 6. So this is moment of inertia of square shape. Okay. Iga circle do iga mass ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ removed portion mass m dash that is equal to mass per the entire area of the square that is L square into removed portion area that is pi r square. R square means L square by 4. So L square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So removed portion ಅಂದ್ರೆ circular disc ನಾವು remove ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ so ಅದರದ್ದು mass so m pi divided by 4. So ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು circular disc moment of inertia ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ m dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ m ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ about an axis passing through center perpendicular to the plane under m r square by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So m ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ m pi divided by 4 into divided by 2 into r square. R ಅಂದ್ರೆ L by 2 square. So L square divided by 4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು small arrangement multiply divided by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So multiply divided by 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Multiply and divided by 3. Multiply and divided by 3. So 3 into 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ml square divided by 6 into 3 pi divided by 16. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ moment of inertia of the remaining part ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, IS ಅಲ್ಲಿ IC ನ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ IS and IS minus IC. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ml square divided by 6. Take it as common. Remaining ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 minus 3 pi divided by 16. So ml square by 6 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 pi divided by 16. The right answer is option 3. The third option is the right answer. Correct. So next, question number 5. Question number 5. A particle of mass m at rest, decays into two particles of mass m1 and m2. The ratio of de Broglie having non-zero velocities, the ratio of de Broglie wavelengths of particle. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ conservation of momentum. So ಈಗ decay ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ momentum is 0. 0 is equal to decay ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ momentum m1 v1 plus ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ m2 v2. So m1 v1 is equal to minus m2 v2. Andre momentum of first particle is minus momentum of the second particle. The magnitude is same. Okay. The formula lambda is equal to h by p. So here h is constant. P is also constant. Andre ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ lambda 1 divided by lambda 2 is equal to h by p1. So h by p2. So both are same, cancels, h cancels. So it is a ratio 1:1. The right answer is option 3. So option 3 is the right answer. Option 3 is the right answer. Okay, right. Next, question number 6. When a photosensitive material is illuminated by light of frequency 3 times the threshold frequency, the photoelectrons are emitted, which gives rise to photocurrent. Andre h of 3 nu naught is equal to h nu naught plus kinetic energy. So this is photoelectric equation. The frequency is 3 times nu naught given in the question. Now if the frequency of light is reduced to 1/5, and the frequency is 1/5 of original. 1/5 of original is nu. The nu dash and the choose mana. Okay. Nu is 3 nu naught. Okay. So but the intensity is tripled. So then photocurrent becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So actually ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ frequency of incident 3/5 nu naught. Just multiply h on both sides. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ work function ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ work function h nu naught is a work function. 3/5 times the work function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 0.6 times work function. Andre h nu dash actually that is less than the work function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ energy of incident photon ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ h nu dash that is less than the work function ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so electron eject ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. and there is no photoelectric current. The right answer is 4. Fourth option is the right answer. Next, question number 7. If the speed of electron in first Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom is 2.19 into 10 power 6 meter per second, the speed of electron in fifth orbit for He plus andre Z is equal to brother 2. So velocity formula Z is square divided by 2 epsilon naught NH. So V is proportional to Z divided by N. For hydrogen, V is proportional to Z is 1, and first orbit means N is also 1. V is proportional to 1, and call this as equation number 1. So this is velocity of electron in the first orbit of hydrogen atom. So velocity next fifth orbit. Fifth orbit means V5 is proportional to, this is for helium, atomic number is 2. So 2 divided by 5. So call this as equation number 2. So we want here V5 is equal to 2 divided by 5. V5 divided by V1 ಮಾಡಿ. So V1 shift ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. V1 is 1. Okay. 2 by 5 times V1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 by 5. So V1 is 2.19, approximately 2.2 ಅಂತ choose ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2.2 into 10 power 6. Okay. So ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2.2 ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 20 110 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 20 into 2.2 into 10 power 5 divided by 5. 1s are 4s are 2.2 into 4, how much? 8.8 into 10 power 5. So this is 0.88 into 10 power 6 meter per second. 0.8 into 10 power 6. The right answer is first option. First option is the right answer. The next question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, question. The binding energy of a nitrogen nucleus in mega electron volt from the following data. So binding energy and the first mass defect now calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Formula delta M is equal to ZMP plus what? A minus ZMN. So nitrogen means that is 7 and 14. So mass number is 14, atomic number is 7. And really in brother 7 into, actually this is theoretical mass. ZMP plus A minus ZMN. So that is theoretical mass minus in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು rest mass ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ careful ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Z means 7. Okay, MP mass of proton that is given, that is 1.00783. Okay, plus A minus Z 14 minus 7, that is number of neutrons, that is 7 into 1.00783. Okay, so this is theoretical mass minus experimental mass is 14.00307. So ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ delta M is equal to ನಮಗೆ 0.1124 ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is in terms of atomic mass unit. So ಈಗ binding energy ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? delta M value into 931 mega electron volt. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.1124, okay, into 931 mega electron volt. So I do multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 104.7 mega electron volt ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So the right answer is second option. Second option is the right answer. The next question number 9. A galvanometer having 60 divisions. The number of divisions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Number of divisions is how much? 60. Number of divisions ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 60 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Has current sensitivity. ಅಂದ್ರೆ figure of merit. K is given. That is 10 microampere per division. Resistance is given. That is 50 ohm. The value of shunt now calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Shunt value. Okay. To convert it into an ammeter which can measure currents up to 2 ampere. Maximum current to be measured is 2 ampere. Okay. So the formula is S is equal to IgG divided by I minus Ig. The first Ig calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Ig is equal to first step ಅಲ್ಲಿ Ig is equal to Nk. So what is the value of N? N is 60 divisions into K is 10 microampere per division. Division cancel ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So this is 6 into 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 4 ampere. So this is current flowing through the galvanometer, and galvanometer shows full scale deflection, right? So Ig is 6 into 10 power minus 4, and G is galvanometer resistance is 50 divided by maximum current to be measured is 2 ampere minus Ig is 6 into 10 power minus 4. So 2 minus 6 into 10 power minus 4, approximately that is 2. So this is almost equal to 0. So 1s are, 3s are. So 3 into 50, that is 150 into 10 power minus 4. And this is 0.015. Okay. 150 into 10 power minus 4, 0.015. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.015. The right answer is first option. First option is the right answer. 0.01. The next question number 10. The phase difference between electric and magnetic fields in an electromagnetic wave by 2. So this is not correct. Actually, in electromagnetic wave, so there is no phase difference between electric field and magnetic field. Electric field and magnetic field are in phase. The phase difference is 0. So this statement is not correct. The oscillation of electric and magnetic field vectors are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave. So this is correct. So electromagnetic wave consisting of electric field, magnetic field, which are mutually perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. So that is the right statement. 1 false, 2 correct. 1 is incorrect, 2 is correct. The right answer is option 2. Option 2 is the right answer. The next question number 11. Today, a bore magnet of length L and area of cross section A is cut into 4 identical parts as shown. If initially magnetic moment was M, find the magnetic moment of each piece. The magnetic moment formula, pole strength into magnetic length. Let us consider here magnetic length L. So if it is cut like this, so what is the length of each piece? Each piece length ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is L/2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Pole strength ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ pole strength ಕೂಡ reduce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 50% reduce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So Qm becomes here Qm/2 and L becomes L/2. So QML, that is original magnetic moment, M/4. The right answer is M/4. The new magnetic moment of each piece. That is M/4. The right answer is first option. First option is the right answer. M/4 is the right answer. The next question number 12. An AC source of 25 volt frequency 60 Hertz is applied across RLC series circuit as shown in the figure. The effective voltage across resistance 25 volt, the effective voltage across the inductor. Nodi? So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ applied voltage 25 volt, potential difference across the resistor is 25 volt, and V is equal to VR, means VL minus VC is 0, which means VL value is exactly equal to VC. Okay, VL is equal to VC. And what is the current flowing through the circuit? The formula VR is equal to I into R. This is step number 1. So I is equal to VR. VR is 25. 25 divided by R is 25. 25, 25 cancels, and current I is equal to 1 ampere. I is equal to 1 ampere. But we want your potential difference across the inductor. So VL is equal to I into XL. So I is 1. XL is L omega. L omega. Omega is 2 pi F. And L value is given, that is 1 by pi. 1 by pi into 2 pi. Frequency is 60. Okay. The pi cancels here. The potential difference across the inductor 60 into 2. 60 into 2 is 120. So 120 volt. The right answer is second option. Second option is the right answer. 120 volt. And next, question number 13. Question number 13. A plane mirror is inclined at an angle of 45 degree in XY plane. A point object moves with speed V parallel to x-axis. Okay, actually this angle is 45 degree. So it is 45, but this angle is 45 degree. Okay, so this is divided into two components, V, and this is V in V cos 45, V cos 45, and this is along which direction? V cos 45, and this one is V sin 45. Okay. So ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇದರದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is horizontal component of image, and the resultant of the image along the diagonal along the diagonal and this is along a positive y direction, positive y direction. So velocity of image that is along positive y direction means j cap. Okay, V j cap, and this is V vector. Velocity of object is V. This is along positive x, V I cap. But here we want velocity of point object, relative velocity of image with respect to object, V I O. So this is V I vector minus VO vector. So VI vector is V j cap minus VO vector is V I cap. So V j cap minus V I cap. So that is the right answer. No. Minus V I cap plus V j cap. The right answer is option 3. Minus V I cap plus V j cap. Third option is the right answer. Third option is the right answer. Okay. The next question number 14. Identify the correct relation between amplitude A and wave number K under which the maximum particle velocity is equal to 3 times that the wave velocity. The maximum particle velocity is equal to 3 times the wave velocity. Maximum particle velocity is omega A, 3 times the wave velocity. Okay. So we know that V is equal to omega by K. Okay. So we want here amplitude, right? So ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು amplitude A is equal to 3 V by omega. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ V by omega ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 1 by K. ಅಂದ್ರೆ amplitude ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 V by omega 1 by K, 3 by K ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The amplitude is 3 by K. The right answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. Next question number 15 ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Question number 15. A square loop of side A carries current I. It is placed as shown in the figure. Magnetic moment of the loop. Magnetic moment of find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So actually ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, this is the normal. So A vector ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 components ಆಗಿ split ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 components ಆಗಿ split ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ think ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ z ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ along positive x direction. This is directed into the plane of the screen. Okay. So actually this angle is 30. ಇದು 30 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಈ angle 30 ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ angle ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Exactly equal to 60 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ along this direction in ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is L square I cap and this direction, that is the negative z along, andre L square minus k cap. And magnetic moment formula, that is I into A, but here M vector is splits into 2 parts. Okay, so andre ಒಂದು I L square I cap ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, I L square I cap. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು actually this is 60 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು A cos 60 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. cos 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1/2. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ A sin 60 √3/2. Okay, so I L square by 2 I cap, this is minus √3/2 L square, what is this? K cap. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು I side actually ಅವರು A ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು L ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ L is equal to A, side is A, ಅಂದ್ರೆ I A square divided by 2 of I cap minus √3 K cap. Okay, I A square by 2 of I cap minus √3 K cap. So L means the side of the square. Okay, so ಅದನ್ನ A ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ L square ಏನಾಯ್ತು A square. The right answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. Next question number 16. A truth table of given combination of gates shown is. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ think ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ A, this is not gate, output complement of A complement, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ complement of B complement. So ಇದು first AND gate A complement dot B complement, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ AND gate followed by not ಅಂದ್ರೆ NAND ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ whole complement ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So first ನೋಡಿ A complement ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 1 0 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. B complement and ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 0 1 0. Next dot apply ಮಾಡಿ, A complement dot B complement, dot apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 1 and ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0 0 0. ಮತ್ತೆ A complement dot B complement whole complement, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ complement ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 1 1 1. The right answer is first option. Correct? first option match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. The right answer is first option. ನೋಡಿ output 0 1 1 1 ಇದೆ, ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ wrong ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. First one is the right answer. The next question number 17. Which one of the following graphs shows the variation of magnetic field with the distance from long wire carrying current? The formula B is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi 2I divided by R bar. Magnetic field at a point due to long straight wire. So what is the formula? B is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi 2I divided by R. So magnetic field is inversely proportional to distance. As the distance increases, magnetic field decreases. The right answer is option 3. Third option is the right answer. Third option is the right answer. Third option is the right answer. Next question number 18. Two balls are projected upwards simultaneously with speeds 40 meter per second, 60 meter per second. Relative distance of second ball with respect to the first ball. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು second kinematic equation use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. S is equal to ut plus of a t square. So ball moving vertically upwards with initial velocity, first one u1 ಅಂತ choose ಮಾಡೋಣ. u1 t. So body moving vertically upwards, a becomes minus g of g t square. Okay, and for the second ball, s2 is equal to u2 t minus of g t square. So we want the displacement after 5 seconds, and s2 minus s1. So u2 minus u1, u2 minus u1. This is u2 minus u1 into t minus of gt square plus of gt square. Cancel. So u2 minus u1. So this is u2. Okay. What is this? u1 60 minus 40. 60 minus 40 is 20 into time. Time is 5. 20 into 5. So this is 100 meter. The right answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. Next question number 19. The radius of circular current carrying coil is, or at what distance from the center of the coil on its axis, the intensity of magnetic field will be 1 by 2 root 2. So magnetic field at center, the formula magnetic field at a point on the axis and the formula BA is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi 2 pi Ni R square divided by R square plus x square power 3 by 2. At center, x is equal to 0. So mu naught divided by 4 pi. Actually, this is pi R square is area. NIA is magnetic moment. So 2m barate. So 2m divided by x is 0. So this is R cube. So this is magnetic field at center. So on the axis, first nodi 2r ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2r ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4r square 4 plus 1 5 r square power 3 by 2. ಅದು 1 by 2 root 2 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು 1 by 2 root 2 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So r substitute ಮಾಡಿ. So r square plus r square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2r square. So 2r square power 3 by 2. 2 power 3 by 2 2 root 2. So r square power 3 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ r cube. So 1 divided by r cube, that is BC. So BA is equal to 1 divided by 2 root 2 BC. The right answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. Correct. The next question number 20. Question number 20 note for it. A projector is given an initial velocity u vector is equal to I cap. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. u vector is equal to I cap plus 3j cap. Component of u vector along x axis is this is u cos theta. U cos theta value is 1, and ui. So this is u sin theta. U sin theta is 3 here. So the equation of trajectory, the formula y is equal to tan theta x minus gx square divided by 2u square cos square theta, right? This is a formula. Y is equal to tan theta, and u sin theta divided by u cos theta. U sin theta divided by u cos theta ಮಾಡಿ. So this is 3, tan theta is equal to 3. So 3x minus g is tan x square ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, u square cos square theta. U cos theta is 1, u square cos square theta is 1. So 1s are 2, 5s are. So y is equal to 3x minus 5x square. The right answer is y is equal to 3x minus 5x square. Second option is the right answer. So next question number 20 completed, 20 completed, 21. Question number 21. The potential energy of a particle varies with distance. So u is equal to b root x divided by x plus a, where a and b are constants. The dimensions of b and a. So a ಗೆ dimension ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ L ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ L ಇರುತ್ತೆ, a ಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ L ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ b ಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ m L t ಪವರ್ -2 ಮಾಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಇಂಟು L ಅಂದ್ರೆ m L ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ t ಪವರ್ -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ m L ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ t ಪವರ್ -2, ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟು L ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಂಟು L ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ L ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 1/2, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. m L ಪವರ್ 3, ಓಕೆ, 2 + 1 3 ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ -1/2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ t ಪವರ್ -2. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ m L ಪವರ್ 6 - 1 5/2. ಸೊ t ಪವರ್ -2. So we want dimension of b divided by dimension of a. Okay, so m L power 5/2, t power -2. So divided by, so a dimension is L. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ m power 1 L power 5/2 -1, t power -2. Okay, so m power 1 L power, what is the LCM? 2, 5 - 2 3, 3/2, t power -2. 1 in mass, 3/2 length, -2 in time, 3/2 in length. 1 in mass, 3/2 in length, -2 in time. The right answer is second option. Second option is the right answer. So next question number 22. The density of sphere is measured by measuring its mass and diameter. If it is known that maximum percentage error in the measurement of mass diameter 3%, 4% respectively, find the maximum percentage error and the density. The formula density is mass by volume of the sphere 4/3 in pi r cube. So delta rho divided by rho is equal to delta m divided by m plus r cube or d cube. So another 3 times delta d divided by d. So delta m divided by m. So this is 3% plus 3 into delta d by d is 4%. So 3% plus 4 into 3 is 12%. So 3% plus 12% is 15%. 15%. The right answer is fourth option. Fourth option is the right answer. Fourth option. Question number 23 note body. The radius of newly discovered planet is 3 times that of Earth, but having same density. If the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Earth is g, that on the surface of new planet is G dash. So density is same and mass divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Density of Earth, the density of planet M dash divided by 4 by 3 pi. So radius of the planet is 3 times the radius of Earth. The cube matter 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. 27 r cube. So this is 27 m dash is equal to 27 m ಬರುತ್ತೆ. M dash is equal to 27 m. So G dash G is equal to what is the formula? Gm divided by R square. So G dash is equal to G m dash. M dash is 27 m divided by what? R square. R square. So this is ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ R square ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3R square 3R square and 9R square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1s 3s. So this is 3G. The right answer is option 3. Option 3 is the right answer. The next question number 24. On moving a distance 2 times of the initial distance away from an infinitely long straight uniformly charged wire, the electric field is reduced to 1/3. So actually electric field due to uniformly charged wire lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon naught r ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So E is inversely proportional to R. So if the distance is ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 2 times the initial value, so E dash is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 times the initial value ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 2r. So E dash is equal to E by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ of ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50% reduce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ of the initial, but 1/3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ of the initial. So this is wrong statement. So electric field is inversely proportional to distance from an infinitely long straight uniformly charged wire. So inversely proportional to distance from infinitely long straight. So that is true. So reason is this is true. So this is false. So A is false. A is false. R is true. Okay. Options ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Actually here A is false. Okay. R is true. It is false. R is, reason is true. Third option is the right answer. Minor mistake agide. Okay. ಅದೇ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೈನರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. But next question number 25. The velocity time graph of a particle moving on a straight line is shown. What is the distance covered? 5th second. Formula ಏನು u plus of a of 2n minus 1. Correct? The acceleration VT graph ಅಲ್ಲಿ slope ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get acceleration. A is tan 45. So this is 1. Acceleration is 1. So initial velocity is 2 given. 2 plus of A is 1. So 5th second 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 1 9. So 2 plus 9 by 2 is 4.5. So 2 plus 4.5 6.5 meter. The right answer is second option. Second option is the right answer. Okay. So next the next question number 26. For a conducting spherical shell of radius r by 2 with its center at the origin having uniform charge density, the variation of electric field and potential, so with distance. So center to actually surface r by 2 radius ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Up to r by 2 electric field is 0, but potential is not equal to 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ V of r, so this is dotted line. So this is the variation of potential. This is variation of electric field. So notice center in the r by 2 electric field 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but potential is constant. Potential is what? Constant. So after that potential decreases, electric field is also decreases. The right answer is second option. Second option is the right answer. Second option is the right answer. The next question number 27, the energy stored in the capacitor of capacitance 4 microfarad connected in the circuit. So ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ energy stored in 4 microfarad ಬೇಕು. Actually 2 microfarad, 4 microfarad and this combination all are connected in parallel. Potential difference across 4 microfarad is 10 volts. So energy formula U is equal to half C V square. So half C is 4 micro 10 power minus 6. V square is 10 square. So to 1s or to 2s or, so this is 200 microjoule. 200 microjoule. The right answer is first option. First option is the right answer. The next question number 28. Small square. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ think ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದು. A small square loop of wire of side L is placed inside a large square loop of side capital L. If the loops are coplanar and their centers coincide, the mutual inductance of the system is directly proportional to. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಟ್ ಓ due to current in the outer square loop, that is mu naught divided by 4 pi I divided by n ಬರುತ್ತೆ capital L 8 root 2 into n ಬರುತ್ತೆ L square, but phi is equal to m into I. So m is I is constant, mu naught by 4 pi constant, 8 root 2 constant. So I actually ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So m is proportional to, so m is proportional to n ಬರುತ್ತೆ. M is proportional to small l square divided by capital L. The right answer is fourth option. Correct? Fourth option is the right answer. Question number 28. Next question number 29. Bunny, a projectile is thrown with speed 20 meter per second at an angle 50 degree, at an angle 53 degree with the horizontal. That is the horizontal. Okay. So this is x-axis and y-axis. So this is the projectile motion here. This is the projectile motion. Okay. The projectile motion. So ego. So at this point, the velocity is 20 meter per second. At this point, we don't know the velocity. I don't know, find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಟು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. So here is also u splits into two components. Okay. During projectile motion, the horizontal velocity remains constant. Horizontal velocity another change ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, horizontal velocity remains constant. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is angle 53 degree and this is u cos 53 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ velocity change ಆಗಿದೆ. The velocity is u dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 37 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ u dash in ಬರುತ್ತೆ cos 37 and this is exactly equal to u cos 53. Okay, right? So ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ we want u dash. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ 53 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is this 4, what is this 3 and this is 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 53 u ಹಾಗೆ u ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20 cos 53 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3/5 u dash ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ cos 37 this is 37 degree. Okay, what is this 3, this is 4, this is 5, 4/5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. cos 37 ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 4/5. if 5 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 1s are 4 5s are 5 into 3 is 15 meter per second. 15 meter per second. The right answer is first option. First option is the right answer. The next question number 30. S1, S2 are two concentric conducting shells having charges 2q and 3q respectively. The ratio of electric flux through S1 and S2. So this is a very simple question. Flux through first S1 divided by flux through S2. The formula is phi is equal to 1 over epsilon naught times the net charge. So S1 enclosed by the charge is 2q. So 2q divided by epsilon naught barate. So S2 enclosed by two charges 2q, 3q, and 5q. 5q divided by epsilon naught. So q by epsilon naught cancel. 2 is to 5. 2 divided by 5. The right answer is option 2. Option 2 is the right answer. The next question number 31. The electric network shown in the figure. Electric network is shown in the figure. Okay. Part of a complete circuit. If at any instant current I is equal to is given 2 ampere and potential difference across AB is 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ terminal potential difference is equal to EMF minus I into R formula use ಮಾಡಿ. Terminal potential difference 0 is given in the question. EMF 2 EMF 7 volt. So ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ EMF ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 minus L ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 into ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ di by dt 12 milli 12 into 10 power minus 3 12 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, 12 into 10 power minus 3 di by dt. Okay, minus current is 2, resistance is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, minus 6 plus 7 that is 1. 1 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 12 into 10 power minus 3 di by dt is equal to 1. So di by dt is equal to 10 power minus 3 kada shift ಮಾಡಿ 1000, 10 into 10 into 10 divided by 12. So 2 6 5 2 3 2 5 into 2 5 into 2 1 minute 2 6 2 5 2 3 2 5 3 2 5. So 5 into 5 25 into 10 250. So 250 divided by 3. 250 divided by 3. The right answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. Okay. So next question number 32. In the meter bridge, galvanometer shows 0 deflection. Galvanometer shows 0 deflection. So it is 0. It is balanced resistance network. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ effective resistance ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, formula P by Q is equal to R by S. P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 and X connected in parallel. 3X divided by 3 plus X divided by 1. So 3X divided by 3 plus X. R ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ length. R ಅಂದ್ರೆ actually rho L divided by 100 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ rho L by A. So S andre rho of 100 minus L divided by A. Okay, A rho cancel. L divided by 100 minus L. L is given 30 centimeter. 100 minus L 70. 0 cancel. 0 cancel. Okay, 3 cancel. 7x. 7x is equal to 3 plus x. So 7x minus x 6x is equal to 3. 1s are 2s are. So x is equal to half ohm. X is equal to half ohm. The right answer is second option. Second option is the right answer. Next question number 33. A square loop PQRS carrying current I naught placed near and coplanar with a long side conductor XY carrying current I. The net force, actually this side will experience as attractive and this not attractive. Two wires carrying current in opposite direction under either repulsive, either F1 and the choose mana. So this one is attractive. So this is F2. Actually F1 is more than F2 and net force is along the direction away from the wire ಬರುತ್ತೆ, away from the wire ಅಂದ್ರೆ repulsive ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Repulsive, but repulsive two options ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೈರ್ PQ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ F is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi 2 current I into I naught. Side is A divided by separation between PQ and XY is A. So A cancel agade. What is this? This is F1 and F2 is equal to mu naught divided by 4 pi. Same 2 I naught. And the side is same A divided by separation. This is A plus A. This is 2A. So A cancels here. So F1 minus F2, the resultant is F1 minus what F2. F1 minus F2. So the constant terms take it as outside here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mu naught divided by 4 pi 2 I naught common ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 1 minus off is off. So 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cancel. So mu naught I naught divided by 4 pi. Okay, mu naught I naught divided by 4 pi. So the right answer is option 2. Option 2 is the right answer. Second option is the right answer. The next question number 34. 2 moles of oxygen is mixed with 10 moles of helium. The effective specific heat of the mixture at constant volume. So CV mixture is equal to the formula N1CV1 plus N2CV2 divided by N1 plus N2. So N1 is 2 into CV1 specific heat at constant volume for oxygen. Oxygen is diatomic andre that is n bರುತ್ತೆ 5 by 2 or plus N2 is what is into 10 moles CV2 specific heat at constant volume. That is for helium andre monatomic value 3 by 2 or divided by N1 plus N2 andre 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 cancels here. 1s are 5s are 5s are. Okay, 5 or plus 15 or 5 plus 15 is 20 r divided by 12. 4 3s are 4 5s are 5 r divided by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ 1.66 r. The right answer is second option. Second option is the right answer, 1.66 r. The next question number 35. 1 mole of an ideal gas having initial volume pressure 2P and temperature T undergoes a cyclic process ABCDA. The net work done in the complete cycle. So ಈಗ 1 by 1 ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ A to B ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್, ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ N or 2T minus T ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ T. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ B to C ಅಂದ್ರೆ so pressure is variable, temperature is constant. So N or temperature is 2T. So ln of initial pressure is 2P divided by final is P, 2P by P. So ln 2 barata. Next work done from C to D. So that is N or T minus 2T, that is minus T. And work done from D to A. So temperature is constant, pressure is variable. So N or temperature is T. So ln initial pressure P, final is 2P, P divided by 2P. So add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ WAB plus WCD cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So net work done is N or 2T. So ln ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 plus N or T t. So ln1 is actually another 0. Okay. ln1 minus n or t. So in ln2 barate. So this term goes to 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Andre this is n or t ln2 barate. N or t ln2 common. 2 minus 1 another 1. The right answer is number of moles not given means 1. And then this is RT ln 2. RT ln 2. The right answer is option 3. Option 3 is the right answer. Next question number 36. A man measures the period of simple pendulum inside the stationary lift and finds it t seconds. Now the lift accelerates upwards and the time period root 2 t by 3 the acceleration of the lift is. So lift ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು pendulum accelerates upwards ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ pseudo acceleration downwards ಬರುತ್ತೆ so A and G moving downwards ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಇಲ್ಲಿ net acceleration ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ net acceleration ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ A plus G so initially time period t is equal to 2 pi root L by G t dash is ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ t dash is root 2 by 3 t andre 2 pi root L by G that is equal to 2 pi root L divided by G dash net acceleration that is A plus G. So 2 pi cancels here, squaring on both sides. So 2 divided by 9 is equal to 2 by 9 into L by G is equal to L divided by A plus G. So ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So L ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So A plus G divided by A is equal to 9 by 2. So A by G plus 1 is equal to 9 by 2. So A by G is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2 minus 1. So 9 minus 2, 7. 7 by 2. We want A is equal to 7 by 2 G. 7 by 2 G. 7 by 2 is 3.5. 3.5 G. The right answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. Okay. The next question number 37. 37. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಡಿದ್ದು. Equal currents are flowing in two infinitely long wires lying along x and y axis in the direction shown in the figure. Match the following. So magnetic field at a comma 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎರಡು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಎ ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸೊ ಇದು a, 0 ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ -a, -a, 0 at point A current due to the first wire ನೋಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ that is ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ outwards ಅಂದ್ರೆ dot okay due to the second wire so that is also outwards andre idu positive z barate positive z axis so positive z axis andre A matches to 2 options ide so adalli ಒಂದು correct irutte ನೋಡೋಣ so next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು first wire ಇದು second wire first wire in the magnetic field inverse barate inverse andre cross second wire in the magnetic field adu inverse barate andre that is negative z axis barate so this is negative z andre this is matches to 3 this is matches to 2 okay ನೋಡಿ b matches to 3 ಒಂದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದು so ಎರಡು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಾಕು right answer is 2 option 2 is the right answer. Next question number 38. Power versus time graph for a force is given below. Work done by the force up to T naught. Actually, area under PT graph gives what? Work done P is equal to W by T. So W is equal to PT. So as the time increases, actually area increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Area increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, so work done is also increases. PT increases. So PT increases means work done is also increases. So always increases. The right answer is option 3. So option 3 is the right answer. The next Question number 39. A mass of 0.5 kg moving with a speed 1.5 meter per second on a horizontal smooth surface collides with nearly weightless spring of force constant 50 Newton per meter. The maximum compression of the spring would be maximum compression ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ 0.5 kg. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈನೆಟಿಕ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಂ ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಂ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 0.5. 0.5 means 1/2. V square is 3/2 square. 3/2 into ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3/2. Okay, that is equal to k. K value is 50. K value is 50. Okay, x square. So ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 3/2 whole square 1/50 into 2 100 10 power 2 x square. ಈಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. 3/2 into 1/10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3/2 is 1.5. 1.5 divided by 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.15 meter ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The right answer is fourth option, 0.15. 0.15 is the right answer. The next question number 40. Which of the following is true about acceleration for the system? So ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ net force F is equal to m1 plus m2 into a ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So a is equal to F divided by m1 plus m2. So ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ F divided by m1 plus m2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು F divided by m1 plus m2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So acceleration is same and does not depend on whether the force is applied on m1 or m2. The right answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. This is a very simple question. So next question number 41. Question number 41. A rigid ball of mass m strikes a rigid wall at 60 degree and gets reflected without loss of speed. So ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಟೂ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ 60 ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಂ ವಿ cos 60 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂ ವಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ sin 60. ಇದು ಟೂ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ 60, ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಂ ವಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ cos 60 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂ ವಿ sin 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ y ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Actually change under mv sin 60 minus mv sin 60 cancel with each other. Change in momentum along x direction andre delta px is equal to mv cos 60. mv cos 60 idu actually negative x is minus mv cos 60. idu minus mv cos 60 barutte andre minus 2 times mv cos 60 andre that is 1/2. 2 cancel minus mv barutte. Minus mv, what is this? Change in momentum. So this is the value of impulse imported by ball on wall. Ball on wall, but wall on the ball andre the reverse agutte. Okay, so impulse is nothing but change in momentum. So this is actually wall on ball. Wall on ball andre enagutte plus mv. The right answer is third option. Third option is the right answer. Okay. The next question number 42. 42 note koli. A block of mass m is placed on a smooth wedge. So this is also very simple. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ a block of mass m is placed on a smooth wedge inclined angle. What is this? Theta. So weight always acts vertically downwards. Weight. What is this? Normal reaction. Okay, ಈಗ mg two components ಆಗಿ split ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We want force exerted by wedge on the block. Wedge on the block. ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ಇದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is the force exerted by wedge on the block, and this is angle theta, is angle theta 90 minus theta, so this is theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ component mg cos theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So n minus mg cos theta is 0, n is equal to mg cos theta. The right answer is fourth option. Fourth option is the right answer. Okay, 42 ಆಯ್ತು. Next ಬನ್ನಿ 43, question number 43. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ CG is divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Dimension of length ನೋಡಿ, length is proportional to C power A G power B and E square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught power C ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ L ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ L T ಪವರ್ -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ L ಪವರ್ A T ಪವರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ -A ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ G ಪವರ್ ನಾನು B ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. G ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by what R square. G ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ kg ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, kg ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ml t ಪವರ್ -2, ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ L ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ kg ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ m ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ m ಪವರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ -2 + 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, -1. ಓಕೆ, L ಪವರ್ 3 T ಪವರ್ -2 ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಏನು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ B. ಮತ್ತೆ E ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 pi epsilon naught ಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, epsilon naught ಗೆ ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ml t ಪವರ್ -2 ಮತ್ತೆ L ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ml ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. This is ml cube, t ಪವರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ -2. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. L ಪವರ್ A T ಪವರ್ -A, m ಪವರ್ -B, L ಪವರ್ 3A T ಪವರ್ -2B, m ಪವರ್ ಏನು C. ಓಕೆ, L ಪವರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3C, T ಪವರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ -2C. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ L ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. A ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3A, A plus 3A plus 3C that is equal to 1. L ಪವರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆನ್ LHS RHS. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಸ್ ಪವರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -B ಇದೆ, C ಇದೆ, -B plus C ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, -B plus C is equal to 0. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ B is equal to C. BC ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, BC ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಟೈಮ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ -A -2B -2C is equal to 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ A plus 3A plus 3C is equal to 1. ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3A what is this 3B. This is not 3A. Okay, 3B, sorry, this is 3B, right? So this is 3B. A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3B -2B ಬಂದು 3B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಪವರ್ -1 into B -B, 3 into B 3B ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದೆ, 3B ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ 3B -2B is B plus C is equal to 1. So -B plus C is equal to 0. BB cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2C is equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ C is equal to 1/2. C is equal to 1/2, B is equal to 1/2. But what is the value of A? A ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ A -A is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಆಫ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ B plus C, 2 of B plus C, 2 of B plus C. B is off, C is off, off plus off is 1. Okay, so -A is equal to 2, A is equal to -2, A is equal to -2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A value -2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So L is proportional to C power, minus 2, G power B. B andre of. So E square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Idr power kuda in barate, half barate. Andre L is equal to 1 divided by C square. Okay. G E square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught whole power 1 by 2. 1 by C square G E square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught whole power 1 by 2. The right answer is option 4. Option 4 is the right answer. Okay. Next question number 44. The body of mass M is attached to the lower end of a spring whose upper end is fixed. Um, the spring has negligible mass. When the mass M is slightly pulled down and released, it oscillates with a time period of 3 seconds. When mass is increased by 1 kg, the time period of oscillation becomes 5 seconds. The value of M is the formula. What is the formula? T is equal to 2 pi root M by K. The formula is T is equal to 2 pi root M by K. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ first case ಅಲ್ಲಿ time period 3 second ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Second case ಅಲ್ಲಿ time period is 5 second is equal to 2 pi root so mass increased by 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. M plus 1 divided by K. So ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು M ಅಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Call this is equation number 1 and call this is equation number 2. So ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 2 divided by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 by 3 is equal to 2 pi cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, root k cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. root m plus 1 divided by m. So ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ squaring on both sides ಮಾಡಿ 5 square is 25 by 9 is equal to 1 plus 1 by m ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 25 by 9 minus 1 is equal to 1 by m. So 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 by 9 is equal to 1 by m. So m is equal to 9 by 16. M is equal to 16 by 9 is 9 by 16. Right answer is 9 by 16. 9 by 16 is the right answer. 9 by 16 is the right answer. And the last question, the equation of a simple harmonic wave is given by y is equal to 3 sine multiply divided by 2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 4 of 50t minus x. The standard form of this equation y is equal to a sine 2 pi by lambda of vt minus x. So the ratio of maximum particle velocity andre omega a divided by wave velocity is v. So we know that v is equal to omega by k. So omega by v is k. V is equal to omega by k. So this is 2 pi f, k is 2 pi by lambda. So f lambda is v. So omega by v is k. So this is ka. Barate. K andre 2 pi by lambda. Amplitude is 3. Okay, so 2 pi into 3. So lambda is compare madi. Lambda is 4. 4, okay, to 1s or to 2s or 3 pi by 2, brother, 3 pi by 2. The right answer is option 2. Option 2 is the right answer. Option 2 is the right answer. So, ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ 100% ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ NEET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 45 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.